Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And one of the things that is interesting in the news today is about Microsoft's Authentication app. Now, many companies have a Authenticator. Google does have one. You can use it. Microsoft has one. What they do, actually, the authentication apps, they actually aggregate so you can add different accounts to it. And there are two things that they can actually do. They can just trigger a do you want to log in, yes or no, when you try to log into an app from a new PC, for example, and you press the yes button and it grants access. And of course, there's another way also. It generates codes that you can enter. These codes typically last anywhere from 15 to 30 seconds. And you enter the code and you enter the account. So this is a great way to use two-factor authentication and doesn't require SMS, so it's even more secure than text messaging, which technically could be kind of, snooped on and taken, where on the Authenticator app is a very different thing. It's direct through the app, and the app will tell, grant access or not. Now, the problem is that more and more we have seen Authenticator apps that are getting tons and tons of requests. So what happens is that somebody goes to an account, and when they get into the account, they'll go to their Gmail or they'll go to their Microsoft account of some sort. And when they get there, so the hackers that want to get access to your accounts, what they'll do is they'll try multiple login, and every time there's going to be on your Authenticator app a request. It's going to say, hey, do you want to, get into your account? And of course, if you're not doing anything, it's suspicious. So you should, of course, deny the access. But what they do is they actually do it so many times that it annoys the user to a point where some user will at some moment just grant access and say, okay, here, grant access. And you just give it access to, of course, bad guys that will change everything about the account and you lost your account. So for that problem that is on the rise, apparently, what they're going to do now, Microsoft has actually engaged in checking the account and using some AI in checking it out. And when the login is suspicious, so multiple attempts, for example, that doesn't stop, it will actually not trigger a request to your device. So this is going to stop that type of attack. Even if they request 200 times, you might get one or two. Do you accept, are you trying to log into your account? And after one or two tries that you deny, it's never going to pop up. Even if the bad guys try 200 times, it's not going to pop up again. So this is going to stop what is called authentication fatigue, because it's what they call the fact that someone gets annoyed because it's too many requests and will cave in and say, yeah, okay, you know what, here, I grant access. Let's go. So this is a good thing because apparently this type of attack is on the rise, and more people are just, getting annoyed to a point where they say yes and grant access to their accounts to bad guys. So that's a good move on the side of Microsoft's Authenticator, and hope that it's going to help in preventing hackers getting access to accounts. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.